Hello all, welcome to Cooking Pass. Today we will be sharing one of the royal and rich Mughal influenced chicken preparation, chicken Rezala. As we all know, the Mughal cuisine is one of the richest and lavish cuisine in India, and so this dish is. This mildly spicy and a slightly sweetness chicken Rezala is an extraordinary Mughal style chicken preparation in a white gravy which has tremendous flavor. It was brought in by the Nawabs in Bengal. So before starting this, subscribe to Cooking Pass and hit the bell icon to get the updates. So let's see how to make this traditional chicken Rezala. Here we have taken a kg of chicken over here, simple curry cut, to which we are going to add a tablespoon of ginger paste. We have grind some onion and garlic into smooth paste. For that we have taken 4 pieces of onions and a small whole garlic. It's near about 25 cloves. Make it a smooth paste. And we are going to put this onion and garlic paste into the chicken. Next, we have taken 3 tablespoons of beaten yogurt. Into this, we are going to add a teaspoonful salt and white pepper powder. Mix it very well. And then add this into the chicken. Now marinate the chicken very well. We are adding a tablespoon of refined oil into the marination as well. And mix this again. Keep this marination for 6 hours in refrigerator. Also, you can keep it for overnight as well. After 6 hours, first we will make a paste using 3 tablespoons of broken cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons of charmagoj or melon seeds, and 3 teaspoons full posto or poppy seeds. Our paste is ready. Keep this aside. Now heat about 4 tablespoons of refined oil into the karai, to which we are going to add a tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee melts and the oil is hot, we are adding about 12 black peppercorns, 2 inches of cinnamon stick, a dry red chili. Wait until they leave their aroma. This is the marinated chicken we have kept for 6 hours. So now let's add it into the karai. Saute this well on medium heat. Stir it on medium to high heat as it has released lots of water. Stir it continuously for around 7 minutes. Now cover this and let the chicken cook for 5 minutes on low heat. After 5 minutes, open the lid and stir it. We are adding a teaspoon of jaifal and javitri powder into this. Mix it properly and cover this for 2 more minutes on low to medium heat. After 2 minutes, open the lid and add the cashew, melon seeds and poppy seeds paste into this. Mix it well. Now we are adding some water for the gravy. Add the water as per your requirement. Gently stir this. Add the salt as per your taste and mix this very well. Cover it again and let it cook for another 2 minutes on low heat. After 2 minutes, open the lid and add about a teaspoon of white pepper powder and mix it well. Make sure the chicken is cooked properly. You can see the gravy is so thick and creamy now. Now we will add some onion rings into this. Gently mix this all together and turn off the heat now. Lastly, add a teaspoon of rose water into this and 2 drops of meetha atar followed by. Give this a nice mix and cover it for 7 minutes like this so that the aroma of the rose water and meetha atar will infused in the chicken. After 7 minutes, serve it hot. Enjoy this with rumali roti, lachha paratha, biryani as you wish. You can make it on any of your special occasion. Chicken Rezala is slow-cooked chicken curry with cashew nuts, melon seeds, poppy seeds paste with rich aromatic spices and meetha atar. The beautiful aroma and flavor makes this dish heavenly. And the taste of this dish will be relished on its every bite. Please do try this at home. We are sure that you are going to love this.